After the initial diagnosis with hepatitis B, there is the temptation to try to ignore just because you may not be having any signs and symptoms. And that is where the danger lies. When you've tested positive after the initial diagnosis, you may want to do further checks. You do a liver function test, a viral load, abdominal scan, and a profile. And these various tests is going to help the doctor to decide whether you need treatment with antiviral drugs or not. There are most of us who are Hep B positive and have just been put on liver supplements, which we are taking for so many years. And because we usually do not have any symptoms, we ignore and don't even go back to talk to the doctor. Hepatitis B actually requires a specialist care. So you need a gastroenterologist, a pathologist, or family health physician specialist who has adequate knowledge in the condition. Most of us adhere to things that are being said on social media. Most of us follow claims on social media of people having been cured and end up wasting a lot of money. I have met individuals who have spent thousands of cedis, sold properties in the name of looking for a cure. There is currently no documented cure for chronic hepatitis B, and for the acute infection, it can even go away without you taking any medication. Most of us that were infected from childhood are having chronic infection, and what it means is it is a lasting disease that is going to be with us. But you can have hepatitis B and live for 100 years without taking any medication. All you need to do is to do the various labs that I have mentioned, visit your doctor, and you'll be scheduled to come either after every 6 months or after every year for your checkup. You must know that the liver is a resilient organ that even when it is about 80 to 90% damaged, can still function normally. So I will just entreat you. And when you test positive to the virus, do not do self-medication. Any medication that you want to take should be the one that the doctor has prescribed. Just know that testing positive to Hep B is never a death sentence. Just seek the right help and you will be fine.